Big update for AP Stats students and teachers. Desmos just launched full inference capabilities, and it's a total game changer. Now you can run z-tests, t-tests, chi-square tests, and even regression inference, all inside of Desmos. This means you can explore sampling distributions, simulate p-values, calculate test statistics visually and interactively. It gets a clean interface. You can easily input your stats and get instant results, even with clear visuals. The College Board has authorized Desmos for use on the AP Stats exam. This is an incredible tool for learning and classroom use. So you want a full walkthrough? I'm going to make another video. I'll link it up here, and I'll show you how to use every capability step by step in my next video. So make sure you're subscribed